Hi guys, welcome to the YKim channel. I want to speak again on this scientific worldview in 222 about us. And that is, we are only, for some of these physicists and medical scientists and other people, all we are is the physical brain and everything that's going on inside it, which they admit is quite a mystery. Some of it. Excuse me. The electricity and the chemistry is described as a hardware and software, like a computer program. This is the analogy they use to describe what's going on in our brain, which our brain is all we are. Do not shoot the messenger here. Why Kim? And if you do like the messenger, subscribe and ring the bell. This is the theories that many physicists and medical experts put forward of who we are. It's interesting that there is an analogy used. I suppose they use it because it makes sense to explain it that way. Exactly like a computer software program. That's how they will sit around and talk about us. Everything going on in the brain is software and hardware. Those particular terms will be coined. What do you think about that? Now, don't get me wrong. Some of them disagree. However, my point is that this scientific worldview, I think, is the main narrative for now. All I have to do is go to see a medical doctor who's an expert in psychiatry, possibly. I'll go and make an appointment to see them tomorrow. And this is the way that they'll be talking about me, about what's wrong with me. They will talk in this way. I could nearly place a bet that if I book this appointment tomorrow, that's the way this medical psychiatrist will speak about me. Not all of them do, but there's a good chance because, as stated, I think it's the main narrative. It's the main theory and idea that science is running with right now, because that's how science works. What best explains, what best is useful through their tests and instruments, they will rely on that theory for now. They won't say it's definitely true, but for now it's working until something better comes along. Which, maybe they're right. All I'm saying is, how does it feel to be described, you, as a software program? I know that it sounds really strange. However, that is the reality. Even just saying it to you, I don't even know how to respond to myself talking about it. 100 years ago, 200 years ago, 1,000 years ago, there was different theories about who we are as human persons. Now, this is who we are. The brain, the physical. And in the physical, just like how the universe is made up by mathematical laws and physics, so the brain is made up that way. And so the brain is full of this neurons and plastic and electricity, chemistry and software, hardware. They're the two keywords I want you to take away from this. Because this is the way we are described, hardware and software. Just like Siri. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of all of this. I would love to hear your opinion, and I would love for you to subscribe so I can get on with my life. Why, Cam?